Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISE Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss chapter 16 Mensuration exercise 16.2 question number 11 to 20 of M.L.aggarwal class 9 mathematics. So let us start solving this exercise here in this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Now let us solve here exercise 16.2 11th question. The cost of enclosing a rectangular garden with a fence all around at the rate of rupees 15 per meter is rupees 5400. If the length of the garden is 100 meter, then we have to find the area of the garden in this. So here we can say that if we fence all it around, means in the perimeter we will do fencing here. So we can write the formula of perimeter here: 2 length plus breadth equal to the perimeter of this rectangle. So we will put the value of here we can write L plus B. So this will be, we can put L as 100. This is given to us. Now from this information only we can find the breadth. So this is the perimeter here. Now if we multiply this with 15, we will get the value of total cost. So this will be 15 2 into 100 plus breadth equal to 5400. So on calculating it, it will be 30. 100 plus breadth equal to 5400. It means breadth is equal to 5400 divided by 30. Length plus breadth, here we can write it as length is 100. This will be cancelled out and here we will get as 24 180. Means breadth is equal to 180 minus 100 meter here. So this will be 80 meter. As we have finded the breadth here, we have to find in this question the area. So we can write the formula of area here as length into breadth. So here we can put the value, breadth we have finded only, and length is given as 100 into 80. So this will be 8000 meter square is the final answer here in this question. And this is the solution of 11th question. Let us solve here 12th question. A rectangular floor which measures 15 meter and 8 meter is to be laid with tiles measuring 50 centimeter into 20 centimeter. Then we have to find the number of tiles required. Further, if a carpet is laid on a floor so that a space 1 meter exists between its edges and the edges of the floor, then what fraction of the floor is uncovered? So here we will divide the area of the rectangular floor with the area of the tiles to know the uh, number of tiles required here. So here we can write, we have already finded out the area here. 15 into 8 will be 120 meter square, and as it is in centimeter, this is 1250 centimeter square. We will make it on meter square. So from that we got the answer as 1 by 8 meter square. So now to find the number of tiles here, we can just write it as 120 divided by 1 by 8. So this will be 120 into 8. So 960 tiles are required here for covering this floor. Now the second part which we have to find is, we have to find the what fraction of floor is uncovered from the carpet. So here we can write the area of the floor which is covered with carpet. Firstly, covered with carpet. So for finding the area, we can just multiply here, because the width is 1 meter between the carpet and the floor. So we can just subtract from the length and breadth my 2 meter. So 15 minus 2 will be 13 meter here, and 8 minus 2 will be 6. So it will be 78 meter square as the area of floor covered with carpet. Now the whole area we know, from that we can find the area which is not covered, area of floor which is uncovered. So here we can write 120 whole area minus the area of floor covered with carpet. So this will be 78. From that we will get here 2, and this will be 11 minus 7, 42. So here 42 meter square is the area of floor which is uncovered. Now we have to find the fraction here. So this will be equal to 42 divided by 120, the whole area. So we will divide this part 7 by 20. So 7 by 20 centimeter meter square is the fraction here. So sorry, 7 by 20 is the fraction of the floor which is uncovered. So this is the final answer in this question. Now let us solve here 13 question. The width of a rectangular room is 3 by 5 of its length x meters. If its perimeter is y meters, write the equation connecting x and y, then find the floor area of the room if its perimeter is 32 meters. Let here this rectangular room be this, and the length here is given to us as x meter, and the width is 3 by 5 of the length, means x. So this will be 3 by 5 x meters. From that only we can write by perimeter formula for rectangle is 2 length plus breadth, means 2 length plus breadth equal to here we can write 3 by 5, sorry, the perimeter here 2 length plus breadth is the formula here. We'll put the value of length here. So length is x, breadth is 3 by 5 of x, and this is equal to perimeter. Perimeter is given to us as 32 meter. From that only we can find the value of x, and now then after finding the length we will find the value of area. So this will be x plus 3x by 5 equal to 32 by 2. So this will be 16 here, and 5x plus 3x divided by 5 equal to 16. So this will be 8x equal to 16 into 5. So 80 here, 8x equal to 80. We will just cancel out this, it will be 10. Means length is 10 meter here. From that only we can find the value of breadth. This is the length here. Breadth is 3 by 5 of x, means 3 by 5 of 10 equal to breadth, so it will be equal to 6 meter. And now we have to find the area here in this question, and the formula for area is length into breadth. We'll put the value of length and breadth here. This is here 10, length is 10 meter and breadth is 6 meter, means 60 meter square is the final answer here in this question. Means the area here in this question is 60 meters square. So this is the here in this question we have to also find the equation connecting x and y. So here we can write the equation as putting all these values, we can write it as 5x as 2x plus 3 by 5x. Perimeter we have to let it as y. So we can write on solving this part, here we will get 5x plus 3x as 8x, and 8x into 2x will be 16x. So 16x is equal to 5y. So this is the equation here which is formed as a relation between x and y. So this is the final. Now let us solve here 14 question. A rectangular garden 10 meter by 16 meter is to be surrounded by a concrete wall of uniform width. Given that the area of the walk is 120 square meters, assuming the width of the walk to be x, form an equation in x and solve it to find the value of x. Let this rectangular garden be here, and this be 10 meter length and breadth be 16 meter. We have to surround this by a concrete walk of uniform width. Given that the area of walk is 120 centimeters square, let this area of the walk be here. This be the walk and this be the width here, x meters. Assuming the width of the walk to be x, form an equation in x and solve it to find the value of x. So here the given value of we can write width as x. So we can find the value by subtracting this part from this part.
and then only we can find the value of x. So here we can write this as a b c d, and here this be p q r s. So here we will let the length of PQRS equal to 10 plus 2x here, and breadth of PQRS will be 16 plus 2x. Now the length of ABCD is equal to 10 meter, and breadth of ABCD is equal to 16 meter. We'll multiply the area here. So this we can write it as, on multiplying 160, multiplying this part here, and here 20x plus 32x plus here 4x square minus 160 equal to 120. This will be cancelled out from here, and this will be here 52x plus 4x square equal to 120. From there only we can solve the this quadratic equation as 4x square plus 52x minus 120. So here we can just solve it on factorizing. Firstly we'll cancel out here. So this will be 13x, and here this will be 30. Means x square plus 15x minus 2x minus 30 equal to 0. Means x is x plus 15 minus 2. If it will take common, this will be x plus 15 again. Means x is equal to 2 comma minus 15. From there only minus 15 is not possible. Means the breadth of this concrete walk here is x is equal to 2 meter. So this is the final answer here in this question, which we have to find. So this is the solution of the 14th question. Solve here 15th question. A rectangular room is 6 meter long, 4.8 meter wide, and 3.5 meter high. Then find the inner surface area of the wall. For finding, we can write the area of inner surface is equal to 2 length plus breadth into height. So firstly, we'll put the value as length and breadth. 6 plus 4.8 into 3.5. So this will be 2 into 10.8 into 3.5. So from that we can write here on multiplying this 75.6 meter square here. This is the final answer. Means the inner surface area of the four walls is 75.6 meter square. Now let us solve here 16 question. A rectangular plot of land measures 41 meters in length and 22.5 meters in width. A boundary wall 2 meters high is built all around the plot at a distance of 1.5 meter from the plot. Then find the inner surface area of the boundary wall. So here we can see that the rectangular plot is like this, and we are building a boundary wall 2 meters high is built all around the plot at a distance of 1.5 meter. So here this is 1.5 meter from the plot, means from everywhere it is 1.5 meter, the boundary wall. And the distance of this rectangular plot is, length is 41 meter and 22.5 meters wide. So this is 22.5 meters wide. So from that only we can write here length as 41 plus 1.5. So this is 40 from both sides it is. So we can write the length of this hole as 43 or 44 directly we can write here 44 meter. Now the breadth also again increases by 2 into 1.5. So this will be 22.5 plus 2 point or 3 we can say. So it will be 25.5 meter. From that only we can write the perimeter, or directly we can write the area of the inner surface of boundary wall as equal to 2 length plus breadth into height. So this will be 244 plus 25.5 into 2. So this will be 2, we can write it as 969.5 into 2. So this will be 139 on multiplying, and we will multiply it with 2. So here we can write 278 meter square. This is the final answer in the 16th question. And this is the solution of the 16th question.
Now let us solve here 17th first part. We have to find the perimeter and area of this figure given below, in which all corners are of right angles. So here we can write, let these be A, B, and this C. We can just draw a line here, and it will be G, F, E. So here the perimeter will be the sum of all sides, means AB plus AB plus EB plus FE we can write, plus GF plus CG plus AC. Perimeter is sum of all the sides in a figure. So here AB is given to us as 2 meter, EB is given to us as 4 meter, FE is 4 meter again, and GF is 1.5 meter. CG here is, we can write, if we add this 4 meter and 2 meter, it will be 7 meter. So here we can write AC. Again we will add 4 meter plus 1.5 means 5.5 meter. Sorry, it will be 6 meter here, because CG is equal to the sum of 4 meter plus 2 meter. So this is 6 meter. Here we will add all these. So this will be 23 meter as the perimeter. Now area of the given figure we can write as area of, firstly, area of ABEDC, this one rectangle, and then area of EFDG. So area of rectangle ABEDC plus area of rectangle EFDG. So firstly, to find the area of this rectangle, we can just write 4 plus 1.5 means 5.5 as the length, and breadth is 2. Then 1.5 is breadth here, and length is 4, means 4 into 1.5. So we'll multiply this part. So it will be 11 plus 4 into 1.5 will be so 60 here. We will just put a point, means 11 plus 6. 11 plus 6 will be 17 meters square. So this is the final answer here in this question, and this is the perimeter of this question. So this is the solution of 17th first part. Let us solve here 17th second part. We have to find the perimeter and area of the figure given below, in which all corners are right angles. So here I have written already the sides which are equal. Firstly, we will make these figures in 3 equal parts. So let this ABCD be one rectangle, and EFDG be one rectangle, and the third rectangle be JIGH. So here AB is equal to CD. So this is equal to 3, and HI here. This HI is equal to AC, which is 7 centimeter, 7 meter. Now here this JF is equal to BE. This is given only. So this is 5 meter, and now GF. Here this GF is equal to ED, because 7 minus 5 will be 2 meter only. Now DG is, this DG here is equal to EF. So this is 8 meter. Now GH here also is equal to CD. GH is equal to JI, sorry, which is 2 meter. So we will put all these values to find the value of CH here. CD plus DG plus GH. So we'll put the value here. CD here is given as 3 meter. DG is given as 8 meter, and GH is given as 2 meter. We will add all these things. Now to find the perimeter here, we can write it as the sum of all the sides. So it will be AB plus AC plus CH
plus EHI plus JI plus JF plus FE plus BE. So we'll put all these values here. AB here is 3 meter plus AC here is for 7 meter. CH we can write it as 13 meter. We have already find it. And HI will 7 meter plus JI. So JI is equal to 2 meter. JF is equal to 5 meter. FE is equal to 8 meter. And BA is equal to again 5 meter. We will add all these things. On adding we will get 50 meter. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 13 will be 23, and 23 plus 7 will be 30, 32, 32 plus 5 37, 37 plus 8. So this will be, here we can write 45, 45 plus 5 50. So 50 meter is the perimeter of this question in the of this figure here. Now we have to find the area. So for finding the area, we can write firstly the area of ABCD, because this forms one rectangle, and then we will find the area of EFDG. This is also rectangle, so by rectangle formula only. Now the third figure is GHJI. So this is also a rectangle it forms, so we will find the area of rectangle ABCD plus area of rectangle EFDG, again area of rectangle GHIJ. So on solving it, we will get as area of rectangle ABCD, we can write 7 into 3. So 7 is the here given as the length, and 3 is the width in this rectangle. Now area of rectangle EFDG is, here length is 8 meter and the breadth is 2 meter. Now area of rectangle GHIJ will be, because length is again 7 and breadth is 2. So this will be 21 plus 16 plus 14. So 30 plus 21 means 51 meter square is the answer here in this question. So this is the final answer, and this is the solution of 17 question here. Now let us solve your 17 third part. We have to find the area and the perimeter of the given figure. Given below, in which all corners are right angles and all measurements are in centimeters. So here we can write the perimeter. Let these sides be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So here perimeter will be AB plus BC plus CD, CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH plus HI plus IJ plus JK plus KL plus LA. So it will be 12 plus 7 plus 2 plus 5 centimeter plus here 3. FE is 3 centimeter, because if we subtract 12 from 6 and divide it into two parts, it will be 3. So FE is equal to 3. Now FG is equal to 3 plus 2 plus again 3 plus 3. JK is 5. KL is 2 plus 7. So on adding this, it will be 19 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 19 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 9. So it will be 19 plus 7 will be 26, and then it will be 6 plus 5 will be 11 plus 17. So on adding this, we will get 1 carry here, so 3 4 5 54 centimeter. So this is the perimeter here in this figure.
Now
Now we have to find the area here. So area of we can write firstly the area of this rectangle here. So it will be 7 into 2 means area of the first part. So first part rectangle plus area of the second part. Second part will be here. This one we are letting it. Then plus area of third part, because this will be here the third part, and sorry, this will be the third part because this is the first, second and third. Then fourth, area of fourth part plus area of the last part, area of fifth part. So we can write the first part as 7 into 2 plus second part will be 3 into 2 plus 3 5, sorry, um here it will be 3 plus 2 will be 5, so 5 into 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 7 into 2. So we can write this as 14 plus 6 plus 10 plus 6 plus 14. This will be 28 plus 12 plus 22. So it will be here 8 plus 2 will be 10, and 10, 3, 4, 5, 50 centimeter square. So this is the area of this figure, and this is the perimeter of this figure here. And this is the solution of the 17th third part. Let us solve here 18 question. The length and the breadth of a rectangle are 12 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. We have to find the height of a triangle whose base is 9 centimeter and whose area is one third that of rectangle. So here firstly we will find the area of rectangle here, so that we can find the here the height of a triangle. The area of rectangle will be 12 into 9. So it will be 108 centimeter square. Now it says that the question says that the area of a triangle is one third that of rectangle. So if you find the one third of area of rectangle here, so it will be equal 1 by 3 of 108. So we can write 36 means 36 centimeter square here. So we can write the area of the triangle as 1 by 2 into base into height as 36. We'll put the value of um, base here because base is given, means base is 9 centimeter. We have to find the height here. So height will be 36 into 2 divided by 9. It will be height is equal to 8 centimeter. This is the final answer here in this question, and this is the solution of the 18th question here. Let us solve here 19th question. The area of a square plot is 484 meters square. We have to find the length of its one side and the length of its one diagonal. Let this square here be this. So here the area of the square is 484. Means if we let the side as A of this square, means the area will be A square as 484 meters square. So here if you find, take the under root here, it will be 22. So A is equal to 22 meter, means the side of the square is 22 meter. Now we have to find the length of its diagonal also. So let this diagonal be here this. Let this be D, and here also the side will be A only because the sides of the square are equal. So if we by Pythagoras theorem, if we apply here, so we will get D square as A square plus A square. So we can write it as putting the value of here 22 as the A, so it will be 22 under root 2. So this is the answer here, means the diagonal of this square is 22 under root 2. Let us solve your 20 question. A square has the perimeter 56 meter. We have to find its area and the length of one diagonal correct up to two decimal places. To find the here area, firstly we'll find the side, and from that only we can find the area. So here the perimeter formula for a square is 4a.
So it will be equal to 56 because this is the perimeter, means 56 divided by 4 is equal to the side. So 14 meter is the side here of this square. Now we have to find the diagonal, means under root a square plus a square means 14 under root 2. So if we will multiply this, so we'll get answer here and it is 19.7 centimeter. Now we have to find the area. Area is equal to a square, means 14 into 14, which is equal to 196 centimeter square. Sorry. So this is the final answer here in this question. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.